Hello, onboarding pathway teachers. Over the course of the next two modules, we will introduce you to a third component of linked learning. Through work-based learning, we are able to bring academic rigor and career technical education to life. Before we dive in today, we want to take this opportunity to introduce you to our work-based learning team. This team will support you by building on your current partnerships and connecting your classrooms to the world outside of school. Nicole, Neil, Kimberly, and Brian have organized this session to support your understanding of work-based learning. We hope that you'll have a clear understanding of work-based learning and how it can integrate across your pathway. You're going to learn what the continuum is and how it's implemented at K-12 schools. You'll also be introduced to a work-based learning plan and tools to support you in mapping out your resources. What is work-based learning, you asked? As you know, it's one of the 4 core components. In work-based learning, we provide students with exposure to real-world workplace practices through things like job shadowing, apprenticeships, and internships, but more importantly, by connecting your classrooms to professionals through guest speakers and adjudicating the projects that you will create. Over the course of the next few years, you will learn to implement the key qualities of work-based learning, including introducing students to a wide variety of industry opportunities and possible careers, creating networks between your industry partners and students through the implementation of the work-based learning continuum, and integrating work-based learning into your academic content. To kick off today's module, we will begin with a video and virtual gallery walk slideshow to support your understanding of this third component. Enjoy!